Hey, I'm Henrik with Blynk. I wanted to give you guys a quick intro to how you can use the new Blynk MCP alongside an LLM like Claude Code to quickly develop your connected devices. It'll take about a minute for Claude to get this done, so I'm going to get it started and then I'll tell you how it's set up. I've got a pre-written description that I'll paste in, but you can just talk through it with your coding assistant and it'll figure it out. Now, the way about this setup is that I have Claude Code in my terminal. I've installed the platform IO CLI. And most importantly, I have the Blynk MCP connected to my Blynk account. Now, I'm using an ESP32 with an obstacle avoidance sensor and LED, but you can use anything you want. As long as you can imagine it and wire it up, you can build it. It's very easy. You describe what you need, and then the LLM combined with Blynk will create your templates, set up your data streams, and provision your device. I'm just setting this up with a hard-coded Wi-Fi network and password, but if you're doing this for anything serious, I highly recommend using Blynk.Edgent, which will handle Wi-Fi provisioning and over-the-air updates automatically. Claude is about to get wrapped up here and get it done, so once it finishes, you can go to the Blynk Console and create your dashboard. We'll use the AI assistant here as well. Go down here and then just describe what you need. Now, make sure you set your template to be editable, and it'll get going. Once it suggests a solution, either adjust it or accept it, and your new dashboard will be ready shortly. Now, the great thing about this AI assistant in the console is that it has the full knowledge of the Blynk documentation, so not only can it help you set things up, but it can answer any question you might have. That's really it. Using Claude Code, Blynk MCP, and the Blynk AI assistant, we got it set up in a few minutes. We're just going to save and apply here now. We'll go have a look at our device. And there you go. A functioning obstacle avoidance sensor in a few minutes.